Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Take a deep breath, relax, and allow yourself to unwind as we embark on a peaceful journey to relieve stress and restore balance to your mind and body. Let's start by finding a comfortable position. You may sit down or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Gently close your eyes and bring your focus inward. This is your time, a moment to let go of everything else and focus solely on yourself. Take a slow, deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and now exhale fully. With each breath, feel your body begin to soften and release any tension. Let's do this a few more times. Deep breath in and exhale, letting all the stress melt away. One more time, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently flowing down, relaxing your scalp, your forehead, and your face. Allow this light to move down to your neck and shoulders, releasing all tension. Feel your shoulders drop, letting go of any weight they may be carrying. The calming light flows down your arms, your chest, and your back, softening every muscle and bringing you peace. Let it continue to move to your stomach, your hips, and down your legs, all the way to your feet. Your entire body is now filled with this warm, comforting light, leaving no space for stress or worry. Repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am calm, I am at peace. I let go of stress and I welcome serenity. I'm strong and I can handle whatever comes my way. Feel the power of these affirmations resonate within you. Let them replace any negative thoughts with positivity and strength. Now, visualize yourself in a place that feels safe and serene. Perhaps it's a quiet forest, a sunny beach, or a cozy room filled with warmth. Imagine the gentle breeze, the soothing sounds, and the peaceful energy surrounding you. Feel this calmness flowing into every part of your being, recharging and renewing you. Take a moment to soak in this peaceful energy. Slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes. You are now refreshed, calm, and ready to face your day with a renewed sense of peace and clarity. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If this meditation brought you peace, please like, share, and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage for more mindful experience. Until next time, remember you are worthy, you are loved, and you are enough. Namaste.